Hello students, I hope all of you know how to find HCF, and in this video I am going to explain how to find the LCM of two or more than two numbers. What is the definition of lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by all the given numbers. Let me give one example, then this definition will be clear. Let me show the LCM of 4 and 5 by listing method. Now, multiples of 4 are, we know 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. In this way you write multiples of 4 are 4, then 8, 3 4 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36, 4 10 ja 40, and so on. Similarly, multiples of 5 are 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. All of you know the table of 5. 3 5 ja 15, 4 5 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45, and so on. Now after writing multiples of 4 and multiples of 5, find the common multiples. So this is not common, this is also not common. So here if I check, 20 is present here, 20 is present here. So 20 is one common multiple, write it here. Okay, again these are not common. Again I can see 40 is there, here also 40 is there. So I will write 40 here. So if I write the common multiples like this, we will get 20, 40, 60 and many more. Out of these common multiples, which is lowest? Lowest is 20. Since 20 is the lowest common multiple, so we can write lowest common multiple is 20. And that's the answer. That means 20 is the smallest number which can be divided by both 4 and 5. Below 20, there is no number which can be divided by both 4 and 5. Since 20 is the smallest number which can be divided by both 4 and 5, so 20 is the LCM of 4 and 5. How to find LCM of 20 and 30 by prime factorization method. Now for 20 we can write 20 here. Now what is the smallest prime number? Smallest prime number is 2. Let me try with 2 whether I can divide 20 by 2. Since last digit is 0, I can divide it by 2. So 2 10 ja 20. Again last digit is 0, so again it can be divided by 2. Again I will try to divide by 2. 2 5 ja 10. Okay, now 5 is a prime number which cannot be divided by any other number, so we will stop. Similarly for 30 we will write 30 here. We will try with the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2, and since it ends with 0, that means it is divisible by 2. If I divide by 2, 2 15 ja 30. Here last digit is 5, so it cannot be divided by 2. Now I will try with the next prime number, that is 3. If I divide 15 by 3, 3 5 ja 15. And 5 is a prime number which cannot be divided by any other number other than 5. So we are not continuing it. Now 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. And 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. In case of HCF, I told you to write the common factors. Here what we will do in case of LCM, write the factors which is present either in first one or in second one. Now we are going to write the prime factors which are present either in first one or in second one. Here 2 is present in both, so I have written 2. Then 3 is not present in the first case, but in second case it is there, so I will write 3. 5 is present in both the cases. Now in case of 20, just make a box like this. In case of 20, how many times 2 appear? 2 appear 2 times. Here you write 2. How many times 3 appear in case of 20? It's not there, so write 0. How many times 5 appear in case of 20? Once, you write 1. In case of 30, how many times 2 appear? Once, you write 1. How many times 3 appear? 1. How many times 5 appear? Again it is 1. Now, from 20 we got 2 appears 2 times, 3 is not there, 5 appears 1. In case of 30, 2 appears once, 3 appears once, 5 appears once. You can see here, in case of 20, 2 appear twice, so 2 appears twice. 3 is not there, I have written 0. 5 is once, I have written 1. In case of 30, 2 is once only, I have written 1. 3 is once, again I have written 1. 5 also 1. Now out of these two, which is bigger? This is the bigger number. Out of these two, which is bigger? This is bigger. Out of these two, both are same. Anyone you can consider. Okay, you can consider anyone. Now LCM will be 2. You have to write 2 times. 2 you have to write 2 times. You write 2 into 2. 3 you have to write once. You write 3 once. And 5 also you have to write once. Now 2 2 ja 4. 4 3 ja 12. 12 5 ja 60. So here LCM is 60. That means 60 is the lowest number. 60 is the smallest number which can be divided by both 20 and 30. There is no number below 60 which can be divided by both 20 and 30. I hope this one is clear. Let me give you another example. Now I will show how to find the LCM of 18, 36 and 81. In case of 18, we are going to divide it by 2 because last digit is 8 which is divisible by 2. So I can divide it by 2. We always start from 2 because it is the smallest prime number. We know 2 9 ja 18. Now since 9 is not divisible by 2, we are going to try with the next prime number, that is 3. So if I divide 9 by 3, it will be 3 3 ja 9. Since 3 is a prime number which cannot be divided by any other number other than 1 and 3, so we will stop. In case of 36, again we will write here 36. Since the last digit or the unit digit is 6 which is divisible by 2, so I can divide this number by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 16, 8 2 ja 16. Again you divide 18 by 2, it will be 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so we are going to divide it by 3. 3 3 ja 9. And again 3 is a prime number which cannot be divided by any other number other than 1 and 3, so we are not going to continue. In case of 81, now 81 cannot be divided by 2 because if in the units place it is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then only those numbers can be divided by 2. So we are going to try with the next prime number, that is 3. And just because 8 plus 1, 9, 9 is divisible by 3, so 81 can be divided by 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 21, 3 7 ja 21. Again 7 plus 2, 9. 9 can be divided by 3. So 27 also divisible by 3. 3 9 ja 27. And 9 we know 3 3 ja 9. Okay. And since it is a prime number, we will stop. Now we can write 18 equals to 2 into 3 into 3. 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And in case of 81, we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now the prime factors which are present in 18, 36 or 81 are 2 and 3. You can see here only 2 and 3. These are the prime factors. Now in case of 18, 2 only once it is there. So we'll write 2 is once and 3 twice. You write 2 here. In case of 36, 2 twice. You write 2 here. And 3 twice. Here you write 2. In case of 81, 2 is not there. So 2 is 0 times and 3 4 times. Now out of these 3, which is the greatest? These 2. out of these three, which is the greatest? 4. So LCM will be LCM of these three numbers. You can write 2 times. So 2 into 2 and 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4. 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. Okay, now 9 9 ja 81. 81 into 4. If you multiply, you are going to get 324. Therefore, 324 is the LCM of the given numbers. Students, I hope how to find LCM by prime factorization method is now clear. And that's all for today. In the next video, I'm going to show how to calculate LCM by division method. Till then, bye bye, take care and wait for the next video.